Hey, I'm Amanda Mertz, and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your own tomato trellis, so you don't have to use these ugly wire frames. First, you're going to need some scrap wood that you hopefully have laying around. Make sure not to use treated wood as it can add chemicals to your garden. We're going to cut 3 boards down to 3 feet, and then we're going to cut 12 boards down to 12 inches. Now we're going to grab a nail gun and attach 2 of the long boards to each other with the 3 short boards. Do this twice and then attach your 2 small pieces together. This is simple, but it can really give your garden a nicer look than the wire frames. Now, a great way to keep these in the ground is to stick some round dowels in the ground and tie them to your frame.